Hey everybody, welcome to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how can you use slicer and make easy to filter out the data as you require. So here is my data, and for filtering we always go and filter from here, and if you need this then we use like this and we list out like this. But in this function I will show you how can you sort it out simply. So for that we'll be clicking here by we'll make here table by clicking Ctrl T, done, and then you can see here, and then now you can see here in design mode you can see here insert slicer, and then you can see the all uh, column name as under. So here is order date, reason, or so suppose I want reason or item. Now it's in slicer, and then we can sort it from here. If I click central, then we will get only central data, and you can see it's filter automatic by here. And if you want to west, east, or and to remove filter, you can click by clicking here this filter. If you item, then you can see all item. But if you need more, then control click control to add more filter using slicer. So in this way you can use from this slicer function. So I hope this video helps you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.